Homicidal Bird, in a little form we like to call Shatner. Everybody ready? All right.
Very much so.
Once there was a bird. That's right, a bird. And this bird likes to sing. Aww. This bird likes to sing. So, one fine morning, he was walking through the forest because he
was tired.
Why would you fly? That sounds so difficult. Let's walk. He was tired. As he walked through the forest, he suddenly came upon a
beaver.
Turtle. An angry turtle. A ninja turtle, if you will. With pizza. This turtle told him... What was the homicidal? That's right. Sorry. I lost the adjective. I'm so distracted by turtles. They're so cute. All right. He came upon a turtle, an angry turtle, and this turtle said to him, "Bird, I want you to...
die.
Fly away."
Way to be a downer.
The whole thing's a downer.
It's so dark.
I know.
I want you to fly away because we turtles, we don't... Eat macaroni. But I don't have macaroni, said the little...
Bird?
Hoping you might come up with a nickname, but, you know...
Fluffy?
Puppy? No,
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Said Fluffy. What an odd name for a bird. Said Fluffy, I don't have any macaroni. Why? Why do you turtles hate me so? I'm just a nice bird. And the turtle said...
Because you're stupid.
Because you're stupid. As many birds are. I don't know if you've met any birds, but...
Yeah.
That's, I think, where that comes from. Whoa! Hey,
You're scaring it with the stick.
Jeez. Half Doberman, right? That's what makes him angry? Oh, he's a miniature pinscher. Oh. He's the toughest, tiny little dog in the world. I'm super tough, really. Okay, back to the story of the bird. Sorry, I got you. I love dogs. They're so cute. Where were we? I don't have any macaroni because I'm stupid. That's right. Because turtles say because I'm stupid. So the bird, sensing the anger in the turtle, reached for his
machete.
Mate. Renaissance Festival nerds. I actually have a mace in my office. Okay, moving on. I just came out of the closet. I'm a nerd. All right. The bird reached for his mace, pulled back the cover, and swung it freely at the nut. The acorn launched through the woods, striking the turtle right in the
belly button.
What button?
Belly button.
Belly button.
The what button?
Where conveniently he had armor. Where conveniently, I'll tell it like a story, George. Where conveniently he had armor. So the turtle quickly retaliated by
grabbing a sausage.
Because birds hate sausage. That's right. So the bird, seeing the sausage thrust in his direction, quickly
leaped out of the way.
Leapt out of the way.
Killed his
what
sister.
Would you do if sausage came in you? That's all. The bird leapt out of the way, and the turtle collapsed in anger because turtles only have one good thrust anyway. And then the bird, sensing his victory, not his defeat, his victory, quickly opened his beak and swallowed the turtle.